Hi friends, I'm Chef Danielle and I'm here with
Gabby.
Hi Gabby. So today our special letter is the letter V. And V is for vanilla, right?
And for volcano.
And volcano, that's very good. So since we have our V for vanilla, sometimes we like to bake with vanilla, right? Or we like vanilla ice cream or vanilla cake, but we wanted to know where the vanilla comes from, and that is a
Vanilla bean.
yes. So vanilla comes from the vanilla bean, and so to get the flavor of it, we have to open it, and then we have to scrape out all the little vanilla beans inside. Can you help me do that? Because I think we're gonna make vanilla bean whipped cream today. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me this. Can you smell it? Does it smell good?
Doesn't it smell like vanilla?
Wait, well, one, we don't put it all the way on our nose. That's kind of silly, right? When you smell it, I smell it. But here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it. You always have to have an adult help you with this because I have to use a very sharp knife and this.
I want to do the kids' knife.
Okay, well, here, I'll let you scrape some of the pods, the vanilla beans out of the pod. How's that sound? I'll give you half, right?
I only have the biggest piece.
I gave you that piece. So look, if you take the vanilla bean and hold on, not like that. You're gonna have to take it, move this over for you. You take it and we kind of open it, right? Let me just open it and then you can scrape all of the small itty bitty vanilla beans. Uh-oh, where's the incision? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at all the vanilla beans coming out.
Can I try?
Yeah, can you scoop it like this? Like, press it hard. Okay.
I have to do all the parts I don't.
I didn't do it. It's still inside. You gotta get them out. Look, they're coming out. All the vanilla beans. Can you put those little pieces inside? Ooh. Yeah, so you don't need a lot of vanilla bean inside because it makes a lot. You don't need a lot of vanilla bean because a little goes a very long way. Yes. Not yet. So we're gonna use our sugar in a minute. We're just gonna put a little more vanilla bean in there. Yeah, there we go. Can you pick up those little pieces of vanilla bean? Yeah, it's kind of hard to see them all the way from here, but they're very little and they pack a lot of punch. They're very flavorful. Oh yeah, or you can use your finger. That's good. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's save this spoon. That's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. We have plenty. You did such a good job. So let's move this to the side. Can you pour a little bit of whipped cream in there for us, in the bowl? Heavy whipping cream. A little more. And that's perfect. Alrighty. Now, we gotta add a little sugar for our vanilla bean whipped cream. Okay, that's good. And now, I will start whisking it, and then I will let you finish. You wanna start first? Okay. Wait, oh, careful. Okay. Sometimes you can do this with a hand mixer, right? And that machine, it makes it, or a standing mixer, and it goes a lot quicker than doing it by hand. Ooh, that looks yummy. You can see all the little black vanilla bean specks in there. Right. Oh, look at this. That's whipped cream. Oh, that's a big, big spoonful of whipped cream. Vanilla bean whipped cream. How does that vanilla bean whipped cream taste? Tastes yummy? I think she has so much in her mouth, she just has to finish it. Does the vanilla bean taste good?
Sure does.
Sure does. Alrighty, friends. Well, I hope that you guys can make some vanilla bean whipped cream at home with your family. Oh, you want a little more? Or maybe you can use vanilla bean for something else, like put it in your yogurt, or you can make some cookies or a cake with frosting, vanilla bean frosting. Ooh, that sounds yummy for cake, right? Yeah, so have fun with the letter V, and next week we will see you for the letter W. Bye, friends.